In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're updating your presentation to fit a new branding guideline or simply want to refresh the look of your slides, modifying the theme colors can make a significant impact. First things first, you'll need to open your PowerPoint presentation. You can either start a new one or select an existing file. It's important to have your presentation ready before making any changes to ensure you can see your updates in real time and decide what looks best. Once your presentation is open, head over to the Design tab, which you'll find at the top of the ribbon. The Design tab houses a variety of options that can help you customize the look and feel of your presentation, making it a crucial tool for this process. Now, we'll look at the Variants section, positioned toward the right side of the ribbon within the Design tab. Click on the Variants drop-down menu. This menu provides options to alter different design aspects of your presentation, including colors, fonts, and effects. From here, you want to select the Colors option. Then move on to Customize Colors. Selecting Customize Colors allows you to change the color scheme of your presentation in a detailed, personalized manner. By tweaking these settings, you have the opportunity to really tailor the presentation to your specific needs or preferences. Now it's time to choose new colors for various elements of your presentation. These elements commonly include text, background, accents, and hyperlinks. Consider selecting colors that complement each other well, and think about accessibility factors, like contrast, to ensure your presentation remains readable and effective. Feel free to explore different combinations and take your time with this step. Experimenting with various colors is a fantastic way to see what fits best with your content and presentation goals. After you've chosen and finalized your colors for each element, PowerPoint will automatically apply the new color scheme to your entire presentation. It's important to review your slides to ensure that all elements are cohesive and that the colors enhance your content instead of distracting from it. Check each slide to confirm that the new theme meets your expectations and adjusts any elements that might need some further tweaking. Remember that updating your presentation's color theme can give your slides a fresh, polished look, so take advantage of this feature to make your work stand out. That's all there is to it. You've successfully customized your PowerPoint theme colors in just a few simple steps. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy updating your presentations with these new skills.